professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Agile Olympiad. Our guest speaker today is Nitesh Naveen, CEO Unicom and President India Agile Week 2013. Nitesh has deep insight into current trends in IT industry. He is passionate about Agile and believes that Agile has to play a bigger role in India. An IIM Calcutta alumni, Nitesh is also a motivational speaker and mentor to many budding thought leaders in Agile. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Mr. Naveen.
Good evening, everyone. This is Nitesh. I'm from Unicom, and thanks for joining in the webinar. I know it's 5 o'clock in the evening in India, and you must be waiting for this webinar to get over so that you can reach home, beat the traffic, and be with your family. This whole presentation has been made keeping you in mind. This Agile Olympiad, as the name suggests, is one of the most sought after Agile trophy that we have for you. This is being offered as part of India Agile Week, which we are running from October 21st to 26th in 8 cities in India. We are running this event in Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune, and Trivandrum. Let me just take you straight away to what we are doing in this India Agile Week. So this is the whole week. We'll be running various events on Agile, including conference, workshop, webinars. We'll be running free briefings. So you will be hearing a lot of noise around Agile. And to keep you motivated and to make sure that you have something to take back home, we have come up with this unique concept called Agile Olympiad. Now, India Agile Week 2013 is being sponsored by Scrum Alliance and also Agile Testing Alliance. Now, let me go straight to what is Agile Olympiad, which is a part of India Agile Week. So have you ever seen a contest or a league for Agile professionals? I know there are various certification courses available, like Certified Scrum Master, PMI, ACP. You have certification courses offered by Scrum.org and various other bodies. But is there any contest which actually makes you win over a pool of Agile thought leaders? Have you ever heard of an Agile thought leader getting facilitated in front of the Agile community? We have seen conferences after conferences, events after events, projects getting facilitated, companies are getting rewarded for something which they are doing, in something unique they are doing in Agile projects. But what we have is for you. India Agile Week 2013 brings Agile Olympiad for professionals in India working in Agile projects or going to work in Agile projects. This is a unique opportunity to basically to bless yourself with a gold medal in Agile Olympiad. What is Agile Olympiad? This is an opportunity where you can let your intellect shine. I know all of you come with tremendous experience. Some of you also have vast experience in handling Agile projects. Now this is an Olympiad, as the name suggests. As you would have heard about Physics Olympiad, you would have heard about Chemistry Olympiad, Maths Olympiad, which actually identifies the best mathematician or a physician in that age group. This Agile Olympiad is to identify most intelligent Agile practitioner or most intelligent IT professional who have vast knowledge on various aspects on Agile. We are looking for the most intelligent Agilists in India. So how does it work? Now this is this is a question. So you must be